Hello there, and welcome to a video on some new additions to our 3D printed ranges. So, as long promised, we've finally got round to doing some 00 items. So the first one here is a really nice little tramway loco. So these were used on quite a few lines in the UK, this kind of style. We've done it as a nice freelance generic one. So it's not based on any particular prototype, but obviously it has the look of these tramway locos. So we've got the front with the windows and the lights, nice buffers. We've got the cow catchers designed to fit over the couplings. You've got steps in the side, rather nice little maker's plate, BMR on the side, and a little chimney on the roof. Now, these come as a kit, and they're designed to fit onto the Hornby 040 chassis, this particular one that you can see here. It will fit most of this style as long as they don't have the side pistons, because they get in the way. As by chance, there's a couple of little clips on these, so this actually clips onto the chassis, giving you a nice firm hold. In fact, the motor's almost out of sight in there, so you could, if you want, add walls and things inside, but it gives you a really nice basis. And as you can see in our video, looks really great running up and down the layout. And that's going to be £15 for the body. The other thing I've been trying to get done for a long while is some little short coaches. You know that I do quite a lot of work on very minimalist layouts, short curves and that sort of thing. So these are some coach bodies designed to fit onto the classic early Hornby Triang short wheelbase wagon chassis. Now these will be £7.50 each. We have a nice little coach here with a little centre door, and these obviously are a good couple of centimetres shorter than the usual Hornby four-wheel coaches. It's got internal detail in there, seats and tables, and because I like to run a realistic rake if I can, we've done a little brake coach as well. So that's got your little guards things in there, so that's your brake coach, and that's got seating, and they make a nice little rake, and actually they look really good behind the tramway loco as well. Also in this range, we're just working on it at the moment, is a little auto coach. So this will have windows in one end, so that not only can you run a shorter rake, you could pull this into a platform without a runaround loop and run it out with a loco propelling. So that will make it a really useful little rake. At the moment, they're available. When the other one's available, it will be on the website. Some of the other projects we're looking at a different diesel loco body to fit onto the 040 chassis. These chassis, I've actually bought them new. Doug will put on the screen one of the Hornby part numbers. You can get these chassis from a number of sources brand new, in fact, as a Hornby spare part, and they're still only about £12–13, which makes them the same sort of price as the Kato, which is why we're using them. I have to say the chassis in this one cost me £5 on eBay and is one of the smoothest runners I've got. It's actually a Thomas the Tank Engine one because it's got blue wheels, but you can't see the wheels. So personally, I think it's worth, if you don't want to buy a new one, trying getting a second-hand 040 and taking the chassis out of that. So there we go, nice little range. I'm particularly pleased with the tramway loco. I think that really looks the part. You can see it all painted up here. As always, if that's sort of thing that interests you, have a look on the website. All the details are on there. I would just, one little thing, if these are as popular as some of the other things we've done in the past, please bear in mind you do need to allow at least 28 days for us to dispatch this. We just produce these as a little hobby alongside everything else we do. We're working full time. Doug's in education full time. We've both got other hobbies. So we fit these in when we can. But as an example, one of those tramway locos takes us about 3 or 4 hours to print. And obviously we can only print a couple of those a day. So if there's a big demand, there may be a delay. So please bear in mind what it says on the website. Please allow at least 28 days from order before we dispatch. And it's got overseas prices and things on there as well. So if you're an overseas buyer, please drop us a little message, shows you how to do it on the website, and we can then get back to you with overseas postage. By and large, for things like the tramway loco and these coaches, it will be a lot cheaper than you think, because we're not, obviously the price doesn't include any chassis, so they're just bodies, and they're just flat parts, so they go in an envelope, which means we can send them as large letters. So in fact, the overseas postage on these is quite reasonable. So anyway, I hope you've got all the information you need. As always, you can always message us, and thanks for watching. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series. Click on the right for another video you might enjoy. And please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.